Hi guys, I built an alternative to other presentation tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides because honestly they all look and work the same. This one is different. I have made it on top of Impress.js, what is a library for JavaScript, but you need to code your slides. I know there was a editor, but it wasn't really good, and I think it isn't online right now. I would start this presentation of my program with the result and what you can make with it. This is a basic website what I have created with the editor. So it starts basic with text and slides, but you see directly it's in a 3D space, what allows you to make cool stuff. I have implemented different texts and even 3D, and that's what my tool makes better than other presentations. It lets you make other stuff what's interesting. If you think one of those things you see is interesting, you can stop and look it on your own on my GitHub page. I have also implemented websites so you can use those in the presentation itself. There are some small graphic glitches, but I repair them as soon as possible. I have made also some buttons what work and also variables. That's also a thing what not every tool has. So I have also animations like this and disappearing and 3D objects. You can also import your own 3D objects from Blender or installed 3D objects and so on. So I support also the classic tools like grouping, connecting, and so on. Here you can see I have made one slide bigger so you can see it more away from the other ones. And you can clearly see where which page is. Enough yapping. Now I will talk about the editor itself. When you open it, the basic menu opens where you can create new projects, delete, import, and so on. I will continue with the example project, what I have already showed you in the website. When you have opened the editor, you see a lot of components and it looks really complicated, but it isn't. It's basically like every other program. So you have on the top the basic main points like files, saving, open, and so on, editing, and the help tab, what doesn't show you a lot right now, but yes. Under that, you have the tabs with start, edit, insert. Mostly you are into one of those. In the edit, you can basically work like in any other program. In the insert, you can insert text what disappear on the main page. That's the big screen what shows you what you have opened in here. Now you want to make more slides. That's here on the left side of the editor. Here you can manage all your slides, create new, delete one, and so on. On the right side, you have the properties of the whole page and of simple things on the editor, like the text here and everything here. You can edit pretty much anything. But I said this is a little bit different than other programs, and that's true because I have a 3D mode. Here is it. You can basically use it like the most other programs what use 3D and can make anything you want. You can see it's not that complicated, and I think anyone can learn this in under an hour. So I think this was it. If you want more, or use it or try it, my GitHub is linked down in the description. I have also a Discord server here. You can join it. I have also a link for that. And thank you for watching. Bye.